knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine. And if the universe conspires to meld our lives to make us fuel and fly, then know wherever you will be, so too shall I be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here. Remember how we laughed until we cried at the most stupid things, like we were so high. But love was all that we were on. We belong. And though this world will never understand this unlikely union and why it still stands, someday we will be set free. Pray and believe. When the light disappears, and when this world's insincere, you'll be safe here. When nobody hears you scream, I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here. Ooh. Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's made me feel this way before. You're everything I wanted. Never in my life have I been more sure. So come on up to me and close the door. Nobody's made me feel this way before. You're everything I wanted. Want to sail on the wings of the cloud. Where to nobody knows. And cry if you want them to see. Die everything